Good morning, dear students. Myself Purushottam Patel. Today I will explain you exercise 3.1 of Maths for Standard 8. Come to the one number sum. In this book, page number is 41. The page number will vary in your book. The first sum is you have to find out amongst the given figures. Some of the figures are given in the one number. Amongst them, you have to find out. Look at the A number. Which are the simple curves. As I had explained you in the previous class about the simple curves, by the definition, the figures which has not traced itself twice, they will be counted amongst simple figure. See, by those explanations, it is clarified that the figure number 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 number is they are simple figures, simple curves. Now, if you talk about the simple closed curves, of course, all of them are the simple closed curves also. Yeah, A, B, 1, 2, 5, 6, and yeah, all of them are the simple closed curves. If we talk about the polygons, look at the given figures, you will realize that only one number and two number figures are made up of only line segments. So in the C number, we will take 1 and 2. In the D number, it is asked convex polygon. I had explained you all the vertex bulging outward. That is only one figure, I think, that is 2 number. And lastly, E number, concave polygon, that also only one figure we got. Take 7 number, the figure is concave but it's not polygon, so don't take that one. Concave is only one number. Take care while drawing the figures for 3 number, 4 number and last 8 number. All these 3 figures are not simple curves. These figures, if you go to draw these figures, either you need to lift your pencil or it will intersect itself more than once. That's why they are not simple curves. Now come to the 2 number sum. In the 2 number sum, you are asked to find out the number of diagonals. And to find out the number of diagonals, it's very simple. Use this formula. Number of diagonals equal to, if the number of sides, as I had explained you while explaining the chapter, consider the number of sides of the polygons be n, the number of diagonals will be n into n minus 3 by 2. So, in the 2 number sum, number A, convex quadrilateral, number of sides 4, so number of diagonals will be 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. Calculate it, you will get 2. In this way, you will solve the B and C also, as there is hexagon, that means instead of 4 you will write 6 and calculate it and so on. Come to the 3 number. What is the sum of the measures of angles of a convex quadrilaterals? Of course, the measures of the sum of the measures of the angles of any quadrilateral appears to be 360 degree. So we can write the measures of the sum of measures of angles of it was convex quadrilateral. 360 degree, and in the second case it is asked Will this property hold true? Hold if the quadrilateral is not convex. So consider for non-convex quadrilateral. Consider this quadrilateral. I have drawn the quadrilateral A, B, C, D, in which assume that this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, this 5 and this 6. Now, if you are asked to find out the sum of angles, then sum of angles equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. Now see, instead of writing angle A, we can write here angle 1 plus, instead of writing angle B, angle 6 plus 5, we can write here angle 6 plus angle 5 plus, instead of C, we can write here angle 4 plus, instead of D, we can write here angle 2 plus angle 3. Now, if we consider ABD as one triangle and BCD as another triangle, then this sum, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 6. See here, angle 1 is there, angle 2 is there and angle 6 is there. We can group them together. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 plus, these are the angles of triangle ADB. So this will appears to be, sum of these angles will be 180 degree, and thereafter angle 1, 2, 6 I have taken. Angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. Plus angle 5. If you take the sum of all of them, this appears to be here 180 degree, this appears to be 180 degree. So 180 degree plus 180 degree equal to 360 degree. So finally we can write, as I am lacking space here, the final will be hence yes. For non-convex also this property will hold true. Now come to the 4 number sum. In the 4 number sum, look at the given figures. There are triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons and hexagons, and all of them are divided into several triangles. See how. And angle sum property I had explained you, that was sum of angles equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n was the number of sides. So take the first one. By the given examples also you will get the same result. It verifies there also in the given examples in case of triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagon and hexagons. Those are given here. Now this is the turn of septagon. Here number of sides 7, n equal to 7. Therefore angle sum equal to 7 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 5 into 180 degree. We can write it as 900 degree. In this way, as I have solved a number B and C, you can go for these things yourself. Come to the, this was 4 number sum. Take care. I had explained you triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagon and hexagon. Thereafter septagon we have found out. Right now we have got it. Similarly, you will try to find out In case of octagon, decagon, those are given there. And in the 5 number, but a regular polygon, as the number of sides are given there. First one, it is 3 sides. The polygon of 3 sides is known as, of course, it is triangle. I have already explained you. Similarly, 4 sides, quadrilaterals, and so on. Try to do these things yourself. In the 6th number, in the 6th number some of the figures are given and x is missing. That is, x is the measure of any one of the missing angle there. In the first case, we realize the 3 of the angles are given as 50 degree, 130 degree and 120 degree, and 4th angle is x. As we know, sum of angle sum property says sum of angles will be 360 degree. So simply write up x equal to 360 degree minus all the remaining angles, 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree. If you calculate this, you will get the value of x. This was for the A number. For the B number, in the B number, 2 measures are given. One is right angle. So, to x will be here 360 degree minus 60 and 70 degree are given there. But right angle, if one part is right angle, then of course the supplementary of right angle is also right angle. This angle is also 90 degree. Now find out, you will get the value of x. In the C number, it is a pentagon. So sum of angles will be I think I will lack the space here. Come at the top. Let me explain. It was C number, sum of angles equal to, what are the measures of angle given there? Let me find out. These are 30 degree plus x degree plus x degree. We can write it as 2x degree plus 1 is complementary of 180 degree, supplementary of 70 degree. That is 180 minus 70 degree plus another one is of course supplementary of 60 degree, that is 180 degree minus 60 degree. The next step, as the figure is pentagon, sum of angle will be 5 minus 2 into 180 degree equal to, this is 30 degree, this is 2x degree, this is 180 minus 71, 10 degree, 180 minus 60, 120, 120 degree. In the next step, we will get 3 into 180 degree, that is 540 degree equal to 30 plus 110, 140 plus 120, that is 140 and 120, 260 degree. Plus 2x degree. So simply you can find now 2x degree will be 540 degree minus 260 degree, and once you get the 2x degree, find out the value of x by dividing the degree found here by, this was 260 degree. 540 degree minus 260 degree. You will get 2x degree. Then find out the value of x. Of course, you know the transposition very well. Come to the D number sum. In the D number sum, that is pentagon, and I had already explained you that sum of angles for the pentagon and minus 2 into 180 degree. So solve the D number following this, and or 5 into 2 into 180 degree. Try to solve this and find out. You will make your own language. Last sum is 7 number. Come to the 7 number sum. In the 7 number sum, the figure is given and you need to find out the value of x, y and z. If you go through the figure thoroughly, see, the figure looks like this. This is 30 degree. This was 90 degree. And this angle is given as y. Here it is x. And z lies here. We need to find out the x, y and z. So first of all, the third missing angle of triangle, this triangle also we can find out by subtracting the sum of this angle from 180 degree, and see how we will find the value of x, y and z. Value of x, of course this is 90 degree and supplementary of 90 degree, that is 180 degree minus 90 degree, or you can write direct 90 degree, plus y. 180 degree is the sum of angles, and if you subtract sum of them you will get this. And otherwise, if you remind the property learnt in the previous classes, you will remind that measure of exterior angle is the sum of opposite interiors. So this will be 30 degree plus 90 degree. Measure of interiors are added to find out the measure of exterior. Then z. Z is the supplementary of 180 degree minus 30 degree. Now, solve this, you will get the value of x, y and z. For this figure, as I have found the values of x, y and z for this figure, similarly you will find out the even figures for the next figure also and solve it also. In the next class, I will explain you the next exercise also. Thank you very much.